because real estate is fun and it should always be an adventure. I'm your host, Jurek. If you're a return guest, welcome back. If you're new to my channel, who the heck am I? I'm a real estate investor who gets to travel all over the country and work with people just like you, trying to get started in real estate or take their real estate investing to the next level. In this video, I'm going to talk about another one of my playlist series. This playlist has to do about real estate investing strategies. Now, some of you out there might be looking at various strategies to do, may not be sure which strategy to start on, or looking for tips and ideas of doing specific things within each strategy. So over the years, I've done a variety of videos, and in this playlist, I've put together a few of the videos, and I've literally done hundreds over the years in this playlist. So if you're trying to learn more about different real estate investing strategies or pick up tips or information, this might be the playlist for you. If you have not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, please go down here, click on the subscribe button. That way each and every video I do in the future, you'll know about and you can watch. I love to hear comments, so definitely share the video, leave a comment, and let me know how you're doing. I really appreciate hearing from everybody out there, and go make your dreams a reality. Take care, believe and achieve. Bye-bye.
Do it now. Believe and achieve. Take care.